Spain, about 130 million years ago. Late Cretaceous Spain featured an inland lacustrine ecosystem characterized by significant aquatic and terrestrial plant life, as well as a variety of animal species. The geological composition of this formation primarily comprises lacustrine limestone that was formed in this freshwater wetland setting. At present, the forest adjacent to the bayou is undergoing a significant rainstorm. However, the locals don't seem to mind. Concavenator. Carnivorous carcharodontosauride. To confront the obvious visual, the cause of this humpbacked appearance remains unclear. It is hypothesized that the creature may have possessed one or two humps on its back, akin to spinosaurids. These structures are believed to have served multiple purposes, including thermoregulation, fat storage, and potentially even mating displays. Concavenator measured around 16 to 20 feet in length, categorizing it as one of the larger theropods. With a weight ranging from 710 to 880 pounds, its dimensions indicate that it was a formidable creature. Such size and mass would have rendered it a fearsome predator during its era. Concavenator fossils have been found in Aragon, Spain. The name translates directly to the hunchbacked hunter from Cuenca, which refers to both the site of its discovery in central Spain and one of its distinctive characteristics. The quill-like structures on its forearms suggest this organism had protofeathers for insulation, display, or aerodynamics, indicating early feather-like integument that may have aided in thermoregulation or mating. This underscores the evolutionary transition from non-avian dinosaurs to birds, showing that such features developed earlier and in more species. The Concavenator pack appears to be pursuing a substantial herd of ornithopods. However, they have not yet succeeded in closing the distance. Their strategy involves concealing themselves on the opposite bank of the river, awaiting the ornithopods crossing, at which point they intend to launch an ambush. The group of herbivores came rushing through the forest. Pelecanimimus, omnivorous ornithopod. The forelimbs and hands of Pelecanimimus exhibited characteristics more commonly associated with ornithomimosaurs, as the ulna and radius in the lower arm were closely fused. The hand possessed a hook-like structure, featuring fingers of uniform length that were fitted with relatively straight claws. Pelecanimimus fossils have been found in Aragon, Spain. Pelecanimimus, which translates to pelican mimic, is an extinct genus of basal ornithomimosaurian dinosaur. Pelecanimimus was a coastal dinosaur known for its carnivorous diet. It possessed over 200 small teeth, surpassing the dental count of any other theropod. A coordinated assault is launched against the unsuspecting Pelecanimimus herd. This fish-eating dinosaur, characterized by its elongated, slender beak and webbed feet, is foraging at the water's edge when the predators emerge from the foliage. With exceptional eyesight and agility, the Concavenator pack encircles their target, employing their speed and collaborative tactics to eliminate any potential escape routes. As the Pelecanimimus flaps its wings in a frantic bid for freedom, the Concavenators converge, exemplifying the merciless efficiency of nature's hunters in a captivating exhibition of survival instinct. The Concavenator pack has resolved to cease their attacks on the Pelecanimimus herd, recognizing that continued slaughter would lead to the near annihilation of the Pelecanimimus population, thereby adversely affecting the ecosystem. Soon the storm begins to pass and the Concavenator pack runs back into the forest.